What's up, guys? I'm Natti Natasha. Welcome to my home here in Miami, Florida. This home is very special to me because it is where I got pregnant, is where I got engaged, is where the inspiration for a lot of my music came about. I'm gonna give you a little tour. I hope you enjoy it. I feel like the entry of any home is like the opening notes of a song. It has to hook you right away. So when I saw this chair, I knew I had to have it. I love it because it's big, it's glittery, and it's fitted for a queen. This little corner is one of my favorite spots in the house because it reflects the water. So it's like, yes, you're sexy, yes, you're glam, but you're still connected to nature. So if the entry is the opening notes of a song, this main room is the chorus. This area, I decided to go more formal with it. So I added this low profile white leather sofa and I topped it off with a warm, cozy blanket. And I anchored everything with this vegan leather patchwork rug, which I feel it gives it a great balance to the whole room. Ever since I was a little girl, I love elephants. In my country, they say they bring abundance, prosperity, health, and wealth. So I always make sure I include them around the house. So this space is not only good for putting your feet up and relaxing, but it's also great for business. It's where I plan my new releases and my sparkling wine. Basically, magic has happened here. Moving on to the living area, decided to go less formal and more casual. In order to break up this huge space, I added this giant liquor wall. It's such a conversation piece, and it's a very stylish way to get any party started. To balance the modern vibes of this room, I added some natural earthy tones. And behind me, there is a very chill breakfast nook against this beautiful backdrop. The kitchen is definitely the heart of the home, and we love to cook, so I definitely needed a large marble island. And I love the marble so much, we extended it to the backsplash. And to keep it minimal and clean in here, we added hidden cabinets. To continue the earthy vibes, we added touches of oak and a wood dining table. The primary suite is like a romantic verse. It's relaxed and sexy, just like me. We brought back the natural materials in here with the platform bed, the side tables, and the matching dresser. But I really love this leather sofa. It makes the whole room feel more sophisticated. My primary closet is like a dream. So many memories in here, like this piece. Custom made to sing with Romeo Santos in New York. Has my baby's name, it has the tree of life because her name is Life in Spanish. Right here we have shoes, depends on the outfit, but they have to be sexy. I wore these for Ya No Te Extraño, so you definitely saw some of these. And of course, no outfit is complete without the purse. It could be Chanel, Dolce, or both. But the thing I love most about this bedroom is that you can open this door and go right outside. Out here is why you live in Miami. It has everything you could possibly want. You can grill, you can swim, or you can chill with a glass of wine. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. The song ends, but the music will always continue. Salud.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.